How to take good care of yourself to have a successful life. If you want to build your confidence, good healthy relationships, be creative and productive in your work alongside with enjoying your time, you must take care of yourself first, as it ensures a happier and healthier life and makes you a good element in your environment. How to do that? Here are some ways to take care of yourself every day. 1. You need to take care of your mental and emotional well-being. Start your day off with meditation. Start every morning with a short 5 to 10 minute meditation. The meditation helps you visualize the things you are most grateful for and allows you to minimize negativity and distractions. Early morning meditation increases your self-awareness and helps you put into perspective what really matters. It also makes you be more positive, energetic, and happy. Educate yourself. Be a learner for life. Find ways to keep learning through reading, studying others, doing things differently, and staying open to advice. Be ready to learn new things, no matter what age you are. Keep a journal. Life is very busy. It's a great outlet to help you be present, remember the little moments, and sort out challenges in both your personal and professional life. 2. Taking care of your physical well-being. Get enough sleep. The scientific benefits of sleep are innumerable. More sleep equates to more happiness, better health, and improved decision-making. Not to mention that it detoxes the brain. In order to do your best work, it is critical to consistently recharge your batteries. Eat healthy foods such as fruits and vegetables. Work out. Take a daily walk or jog with the dog around the block. Aside from obvious health benefits, it clears your minds and gets you in touch with the outdoors and in the company of good friends to start the day. 3. Taking care of your personal hygiene. Keep yourself clean. Wash yourself and your hair regularly. Trim and polish. Comb your hair and brush your teeth daily. Keep your nails dirt-free and trimmed. Keep your body moisturized. Moisturize your legs, feet, arms, and hands regularly, especially when it's dry or the weather is hot. You don't need to spend a lot. Good lotions can be only olive oil after each bath. Wear clothing that makes you feel your best. Pick out a group of outfits that make you feel good and stick to them. If you live where there are seasonal changes, divide the clothing into seasonal choices. Keeping a wardrobe of fewer but higher quality clothes can help you to feel and look better and save time on overthinking daily clothing choices. Drink plenty of water. This will help you hydrate your skin and your body. It also flushes toxins out of your body and helps you concentrate. Try to drink enough so that your urine is very light yellow. 4. Building a social support network. Be nice to other people. Be nice to others who are different from you, even if people are mean to you deliberately or tell you to go away. Always be nice to them. You will not only make friends this way, but you maintain your dignity. Talk to friends and family. Your friends and family are your biggest supporters. Even if you are having a very stressful and busy day, pick up the phone for a few minutes just to say hi to mom or your best friend and just talk about the good things that are happening in their lives. It will keep you grounded. Thank you for watching. If you like to see more interesting videos, please subscribe, like and share.